So as you can see, these icons are rotating on my iPhone 14 Pro's home screen. And if I even click on one of the icons, it will actually open the application. So in today's video, you'll know how you'll able to do this tutorial. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So like I mentioned, in today's video, I'll show you how to add rotating icons to your iPhone or iPad for completely free. You don't need to pay anything, and the steps are very easy. So first things first, make sure to take a screenshot of your home screen. It can be of a blank page on your home screen. Just make sure to take a screenshot, and then I'll take you to the next step. Once you take the screenshot, make sure to go ahead and open the App Store. And once you open the App Store, you can either click on the link that's in the description box or search for an application that's called Quick Widget. Both work fine. The application is free. If you can't find it from the App Store, just make sure to click on the link in the description. It will take you to the App Store, and then you can download the application, which is completely free. So I'm going to wait for the application to be downloaded. As you can see, the download is in progress. If this video is actually something you're enjoying, don't forget to like. Subscribe will truly cooperate and help with the channel, so make sure to subscribe if the video is helpful. You'll be able to watch further videos that I post. So we have the video, or we have the application now installed. We're going to click on open, and then we're going to click on transparent. Once you're here, just click on set, and then choose the screenshot that you just took a few moments ago, and then go back and click on large. Then click on add, and then you see an option that says circle icon. So large is the last one. Click on large, and then click on the circle icon. All you need to do here is tap an icon if you want to be in the middle. I'm going to choose the setting, so that way it will be enlarged and it will be in the middle. And then just tap on circle icons and tap on save. Now you're going to have to watch a video for this to work. Of course, you don't want to pay for the application, so a good way to use this for free is once you click on save, just watch the ad video. It's going to be like a few seconds, more or less, maximum a minute. And it's just going to ask you for the first time, so you're not going to do this every time. It's just while setting up the transparent or rotating icons. While we're waiting for the ad to complete, I just want to quickly thank you for taking the time and watching this video, and don't forget to like if this video is something you're enjoying. So we have the ad complete. I'm just going to click on the X icon to minimize it, and then it should be good to go. So by now you're done with the setup. All you need to do is go back to your home screen. You can tweak it if you want, change the icons here, but I prefer to have it as it is. So you don't need to really do anything anymore. All you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and then just hold any blank space. Once you're there, click on the plus icon, and then search for the application, which is Quick Widget. Scroll to the last one, long press to hold it, and then if you tap on it, it will show you a few options. You can then click on choose, and then choose the first icon or the first option. Once you do that, you should have the icons start rotating, and if you tap on one of them, it should load the application for you. So you can remove it just by holding and then removing it. It's as easy as that, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe if the video was helpful.